This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
Good Monday morning. Time now is 4:46. We're taking a live look in Westfield for now. You can see visibility is pretty good here in Westfield. Still could be some patchy fog out there once you get away from the downtown area, but most of the fog is right along the Connecticut River. You can see that here in Springfield. Starting to lift a little bit. You can make out some of the lights over the Connecticut River towards West Springfield here, but just be aware that there will likely be some patchy fog as we start off the morning commute. You can see especially in central and also towards eastern Hamden County is where we're seeing some of the most dense fog around under 2-mile visibility there in Westfield and just around 5 or 6 miles here in Springfield. So there is some patchy fog out there. Temperatures right now 69 Northampton, 70 is the temperature in Springfield, and dew points out there into the upper 60s, and we'll be climbing back into the 70s with these dew points as we go into the afternoon. So for today, the 22 Storm Team out the door forecast, we're going to be climbing back around 90 degrees for today. It will be humid, and again, with that high humidity, we do have the chance for a few showers or storms heading into this late afternoon, early evening for today. That is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. I think these storms will be very few and far between, so I'm leaning more towards majority of us will likely be staying dry, but the weather alert is up because if there are storms developing later today, they do have the chance becoming strong to severe. So again, there is that chance for some showers and storms later today. Heading through tomorrow, again, chance for some showers and storms, not as severe as the potential for today, but still chance for some storms for Tuesday. And then going through the rest of the week, cooler temperatures, most of us in the 70s, and also on and off showers through much of the week with, again, higher humidity. So right now it's nice and dry. Taking a wider view on clouds radar, you can see a mostly clear sky across the region. So once the fog lifts, the sun will be out. And I think we'll see a lot of sun through much of the morning and into the early afternoon. But we do have that chance for some severe weather later today. So the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center giving most of western Massachusetts an elevated level 2 risk heading into this afternoon and evening. And then the further east and southeast you go. So for Springfield, back into eastern Hamden County, a level 1. But either way, there is a risk for some severe weather as we go through the day on the 22 Storm Team Skycast. I will tell you that Skycast is not really confident in terms of, it's showing the chance for some storms later today, so you're really not going to see much here, but there is the threat for some thunderstorm cells to develop into the afternoon. So 9 o'clock here this morning, nothing but sun. Here we are this afternoon, 12 o'clock, a mostly sunny sky continues. After 3, 4 o'clock, there is going to be the chance for a few showers or storms. I'm leaning more towards the further north and west you are, the better chance of storms you got. Here we are around 8 o'clock. You can see Skycast picking up on maybe a passing thunderstorm here in Franklin County. And then as we go into the overnight, a few scattered showers. And we could start off tomorrow morning with some heavier downpours and then turning to scattered showers throughout the day on Tuesday. So again, I'm not really overly concerned with the severe threat as we go towards this afternoon, but there is a chance, and that's why we got the weather alert up. In terms of other weather that is pretty severe, is we got Hurricane Debbie this morning. It's a Category 1, 80 miles per hour, just about to make landfall there on the Big Bend of Florida. Again, it is a Category 1 hurricane. As we go over the next few days, this is going to continue to push off to the north and to the northeast and basically stall. And this could be a really big rainmaker for the Carolinas. Some guidance wants to show over a foot of rain for portions of South Carolina as we go through late tomorrow night into Wednesday. So again, really not expecting any impacts here in the northeast, but there is that threat for some rain down in the southeastern United States. So 88 to 92 for today. Heading through tonight, we're going to be staying into the 60s to near 70. And for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, scattered showers are potential throughout much of the week, but look at those temperatures, a lot cooler in the 70s as we go down towards the weekend. If you want to stay updated with latest forecast, you could do so by getting the free 22 mobile app.